आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 11th September 2020. The headlines are the Narendra Modi to address the conclave of the school education on the 21st century and through the video conferencing today. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar meets the Chinese counterpart in the Moscow. Two sides of agree for the early disengagement and for easing the tension of the LAC. Government from the three-member expert panel assess the assessment the relief bank borrowers. COVID-19 recovery rate stands by 77.74% in the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressed the conclave of the school education in the 21st century under the National Education Policy 2020 through the video conference today. The Minister of Education and Organization today for the conclave, which being the yesterday as a part of the Shiksha Parv. NEP 2020 is the first education policy of the 21st century. It was announced the 34 year after the previous National Policy of Education 1986. NEP 2020 is directed toward the major reform in the both school and the higher education level. Prime Minister yesterday digitalized the launch the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. He also launched the e-Gopala app and the comprehensive brief for the improving the marketplace and the information portal for the direct use of the farmer. On the occasion, the several initiatives in the fisheries and the animal husbandry sector in the Bihar were also launched by the Prime Minister. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana is also the flagship the scheme for the focus and the sustainable development of the fisheries sector in the country. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar meet the Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi on the sidelines and the Shanghai Cooperation Organization meet the Russia yesterday. The two countries also agree on not allow to the difference become distribute both of the side and agree take the guidance from the series of the consequence between the leaders and the two countries on the developing India-China relations. Rafale fighter aircraft also the formally inducted into the Indian Air Force at a function at the Air Force Station the Ambala yesterday. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and the Florence Parly Minister also the force of the France graced an occasion. Speaking on this occasion, the Defense Minister said the induction of the Rafale is the historical moment and it is important the milestone in the history of the Indian Air Force. The government is also constituting the three-member expert committee to assess the assessment for the relief the bank borrowers. And the committee chaired by the former CAG Raju Maharishi will also measure the impact of the national economic and the financial stability of the waiving and the interest and COVID-19 related moratorium. It will be also giving the suggestion to the managed finance constructions and the various sections society and respect measure to the adopt this regard. Home Minister Amit Shah said the public awareness is the only the solution to fight against the coronavirus. He also appealed to the people to strictly follow the social distancing. Mr. Shah was also speaking after the launch in the various development scheme in the Gandhinagar Lok Sabha consultancy. And through the video conferencing, he also said the nation is fighting a battle against the coronavirus under the leadership of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Military Affairs Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi has also the obligation for the Article 370 has the demolished and speed breaker of the resounded laws with the outstake of the development process in the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. The COVID-19 recovery rate has reached for 77.74%. In all, 72,939 people recovered from coronavirus were the discharged from the hospital during the last 24 hours. The Health Ministry said the total number of the recovery has reached the 34 lakhs and the 1,000 of the 783. It has the constant increase. The recovery has ensured that the actual cash load and the country is returned and currently comprise for the 20.58% of a total positive cases. Effective the implementation of test tracks and test approach has led the higher recoveries and the lower fatality. Currently in India's the case fatality rate 1.68%. A total 95,735 new cases were reported in the last 24 hours in the country. You were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 11 September 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको आज बताते हैं कि किस तरह से आपको लिमटी की लालटेन समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया या साई न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करना है। आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, आप यूट्यूब खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च बटन पर ऊपर जाइए, ऊपर सर्च बटन पर आप टाइप करिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। इसके बाद आप एंटर दबाइए। जैसे ही आप एंटर दबाते हैं तो ये पेज खुल जाएगा। यहाँ पेज में आप देखिएगा ये इस तरीके का नज़ारा आपको दिखेगा। इसके साथ ही आप यहाँ देखिए LIMTY KHARE आपको लिखा दिख रहा है। इसके बाजू में आप राइट साइड में देखिएगा यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है। ये सब्सक्राइब बटन अभी लाल रंग का दिख रहा है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को आपको क्लिक करना है। जैसे ही आप ये सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करेंगे आप देखिए इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। ये आपने सब्सक्राइब की जगह सब्सक्राइब्ड लिखा आ गया, आपने इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, पर अभी आपका काम पूरा नहीं हुआ है। अभी आपको इसके बाजू में आप देखिए एक घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आप इसको अगर घंटी के बटन को प्रेस करेंगे तो 3 ऑप्शन आते हैं, ऑल, पर्सनलाइज्ड और नन। तो इसमें आपको ऑल बटन को पुश करना है। आप जैसे ही आप देखिएगा ये ऑल बटन पुश करते हैं, ये हाईलाइटेड हो जाती है घंटी। इसके बाद जितने भी समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया पर वीडियोस डलेंगे सारे के सारे वीडियोस आपको तुरंत दिख जाएंगे, देखने को मिल जाएंगे। ये हम आपको जो दिखा रहे हैं किस तरीके से आपको समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को की चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है। ये पर्सनलाइज्ड और उसके बाद सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए। लाल के बाद वो लाल रंग नहीं